Vinay Albuquerque from the Alcon Victor Group. We started this cleanup because we are totally into tourism and we need to maintain our places. We are following the government's initiative of hinterland tourism, and we wanted to make a start by cleaning up the area around Mangueshi temple, which has lakhs of tourists and devotees coming every year. So this is a small initiative. We hope to look after this place for the whole year now. Thank you.
So this is your starting.
We're starting, yes.
What are your next plans?
Next is every quarter we want to take up one place, clean it up, and take it under our CSR to maintain the place.
So today, from where to where did you clean?
So we've cleaned the entire parking area, which is of the tourism department, right from the old guest house, right up till the entrance of the temple. We have collected all this garbage, which is about 25 or 30%, and there at the back there's another 40% of garbage. With the assistance of the panchayat and with Parish Sajalkar, who has been a great help and initiative, we are looking forward to their support to take this thing forward.
माझं नाव दामोदर नाईक, हांव ZB मेंबर. मंगेश देवस्थान एक जागतीक पर्यटन स्थळ जावन आसा, पूण हांगा साधन सुविधा खरें म्हटल्यार कांयच ना. गेली 10 वर्सां ही जागा जी गोवा टुरिजमान घेवन हांगा एक अशें प्रशस्त अशें पार्किंग तशेंच शॉपां केल्लीं, पूण ते हांगा कांयच मेंटेनन्स ना. आज पळयत जाल्यार हांगा डेली अशी ट्युरिस्ट हजारांनी ट्युरिस्ट येता आनी हांगा गार्बेज सगळ्याक पडटा, पूण कोणूच हांगा पंचायत अथवा कोणूच हांगा हेजेर सोल्युशन काडना. पूण आयज आल्बुकर्क त्या हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंटान हो फुडाकार घेवन हांगा क्लिननेस ड्रायव्ह केला, त्या बद्दल हांव तेजें अभिनंदन करता आनी ताका शुभेच्छा दितात. अशेंच तेणें प्रत्येक म्हयन्याक येवन हांगा क्लिननेस ड्रायव्ह करचें अशें हांव तेजे कडेन मागतां.
And the teachers of the Bagli High School, which is at Mangueshi, who have been given us immense support with over 100 students joining in our cleaning drive. The whole Alcon Victor group was about 110 team members. With the 100 students of the Bagli High School, Mangueshi, this whole job was possible in doing it in 2 hours. So what we can do in 2 hours, 200 people, imagine a few of us doing it every day and keeping our place clean. Finally, this is our place. We're going to live here, we're going to die here. This is our place finally.
Victor Group for taking this as a CSR and helping us out, helping Mangesh Devasan out to get our surrounding areas clean. I also thank the Mangesh Devasan committee for supporting us and giving refreshments to all the volunteers who helped us. Thank you.
आणि बाकीचे सगळे आमचे स्टुडंट्स आणि बाकीचे आमचे हांव सगळ्यांक तांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी हांवें क्लीन उरचे आनी हे आमच्या ग्रुपान विक्टर ग्रुपान सांगला की हांगा क्लिननेस कायम दवरतले, त्या बद्दल तांकां हांव म्हजे वतीन आनी स्कुलाचे वतीन देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.